In this video, I'll be guiding you guys on how you can fix GLFW error with that specific code on Minecraft TLauncher. So let's get started. Now, GLFW error 65542 typically indicates a problem with the OpenGL graphics library, which is used by Minecraft. Now, we're going to look at some solutions we can fix this. The first one we have is to update your graphics driver. Update graphics driver. So visit your graphic card manufacturer's website and download the latest drivers for your specific model. And then you have to follow the details on the website to download them. The next one is to verify the game integrity. Verify game integrity. Okay. So if you're using TLauncher, check if there's an option to verify the game files. This can help identify and fix corrupted files. The next one is try a different Minecraft version. Try a different Minecraft version. So sometimes specific Minecraft versions might have compatibility issues with certain hardware or software configurations. Try switching to a different version, for example 1.18.1 or 1.19 to see if the error persists. The next one is to check for conflicting softwares. Check for conflicting softwares. Okay, so temporarily disable your antivirus or firewall software to see if it's interfering with Minecraft, and close any unnecessary background applications that might be competing for resources. Then you could also try adjusting graphic settings. Adjust graphic settings. Okay, so try reducing Minecraft's graphic settings such as resolution, texture quality, and render distance. If you're using a newer graphics card, try running Minecraft in compatibility mode for an older Windows version. However, let's say none of these work, then you'll have to try reinstalling Minecraft. So you're gonna uninstall it and reinstall it, hoping that the error is gone. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time.